guitar hands. So this hand, the hand that holds the pick, think of that hand like it's the gas pedal. That's the hand that starts you and gets you where you're going. This hand up here, up near the headstock on the neck, this hand is like the steering wheel. Okay? So for right now, this hand's just gonna hold the neck like this, and I'm not touching the strings. Just like I'm shaking somebody's hand, I'm just gonna put my hand here, like I'm holding the neck, and then I'm gonna use the paintbrush. Give it some gas, go a little faster. And then when I wanna stop, when I want to mute the sound, I take the back part of my hand right here and I press that against the strings. So see, I push down with the pick and string mute. Okay, that's how you hit mute. That's how you stop the sound. See, when I stop, my pick is right here, ready to go again. String mute. String mute. String mute.